Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, you will learn how to apply conditional formatting for repeated items in Excel. Identifying and dealing with duplicate entries in your data is crucial for data cleaning and accurate analysis. Let's get started. Generally, if you want to apply conditional formatting for duplicate values, please select the data C4 to C15 and go to Home tab in the Excel ribbon, then click on the Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. Choose Highlight Cells rules and then apply duplicate values. Choose the formatting style you want to apply to the repeated items. You can pick a specific color or font style to highlight the duplicates. Click OK to apply the conditional formatting to the selected range. Excel will now highlight all the repeated items based on the formatting you choose. The conditional formatting has made it easy to spot duplicates quickly. But what if you want to highlight only the repeated items? What if you want to highlight only the repeated items after the second repeat, so that it would be easy for you to find the unique items as well? Select the range of cells D4 to D15. Click on Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule. Select the last option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And type the formula as equals to COUNTIF, open the parenthesis, D4, lock the cell, colon D4, comma D4, close the parenthesis, greater than 1. Click on Format and fill with some sample color, say yellow, and click OK. Again click OK to close this dialog box. Now you will see the yellow colors exactly formatting the repeats. Now one time. Got it? So in this way, by using this technique, you can efficiently identify duplicate entries in your data, making data cleaning and analysis much easier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.